Do you know the #1 most commonly unperformed maintenance in a home? I would argue without question, refrigerator maintenance. We're going to talk real quick about simple maintenance that you should be performing to make sure that your refrigerator stays cooling both effectively and efficiently, saving you money. So the key maintenance that you need to do is what we call cleaning the condenser. The condenser is the thing on a refrigerator that's going to have all the little fins on it that lets the heat that is being drawn out from inside the refrigerator and out into the space. Very similar to your car or your air conditioner in your home. So why am I doing this today? #1, I've been meaning to make a video. #2, I've been putting it off. And #3, my refrigerator is not cooling properly, which tells you how long I've been putting it off, probably like you. Tools we're going to use for this job, we need some kind of a vacuum. I happen to be using my Milwaukee, what we call pack out battery driven vacuum. You're probably going to need a screwdriver, either a Phillips head or a flathead or a hex bit to be able to take out some screws. And you're going to probably need a brush of some type. It may also be beneficial on a vacuum to use a blower to try to loosen some of the debris. You're probably also going to want a light. As usual, the things that I'm using here, I will drop Amazon affiliate links down below, just in case you're curious what I'm using, and you can take a look. Behind your refrigerator somewhere, typically on the bottom, you're going to have an access panel which will get you into the condenser. So here we just have a couple small screws to take this cover panel off to get into the AC condenser. Get our screws removed, get that panel out of the way. You can already see how much dust and debris is back here, likely clogging up that AC condenser. Over here is what we call our compressor for refrigeration or air conditioning, and over here is what we call our condenser. So all the little fins that allow the heat to escape from the refrigerator that had been collected on the inside. Now you can see what I was talking about, how dirty this is and how inefficient this is running, and therefore not cooling. All of these lines in the condenser are what have the refrigerant running through them. So as you go to clean this, you do need to be reasonably careful. This vac tool that I have, this thin nozzle, will actually fit in between here. If you like the content, I really appreciate it if you hit the like button, drop a comment down below, hit the subscribe button. It really is the only way you can help support me in this channel and what I'm trying to do for you guys. It'll be challenging to get in here with a brush. Some compressed air, maybe even from my vacuum, will be good. This was completely covered, probably blocking off almost entire airflow. So we've placed our hose on the blower side outlet of the vacuum so we can blow in there because I can't reach everything. There we go, nice and clean. Now, when we turn on the refrigerator, the fan will be able to spin and draw air through and allow that heat exchange to take place. Also make sure that this cover that goes over the top, whether this is metal or cardboard, any openings are clean. You can see I have put this off for way too long, and that air inlet right there is completely blocked. It's my own fault for this not cooling, but this is how you can prevent an expensive service charge from a technician. Use your vacuum, clean it out. Got our cover back on, and yes, this is important because this helps the airflow get directed. Let's plug it in, see how it cools. My temperatures are already dropping, so it's definitely the problem not having that condenser clean. My mistake. Hopefully you can learn from me, from Dad, and keep your refrigerator cooling effectively and efficiently and not be surprised when it starts to warm up unexpectedly. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this and learned something. Like I said, drop a comment down below, and I will see you on the next video. Stay curious, friends.